Risk aversion is back in the markets as an interim trade agreement between the United States and China might not be completed in time for signing in Chile. The daunting news from Turkey also contributed to the weakening of risk appetite. As a result, market sentiment worsened ahead of the Fed's monetary policy decision. Even positive Australia's inflation rate and an increase in Japan's retail sales were unable to improve it. The antipodean and commodity currencies are under bearish pressure today. The dollar-yen pair slipped by 0.05% to 108.84, whereas the yen, the greenback, dropped to 208.89 the day before. Today's Asian session is unfolding quietly. The US dollar is trading with minor changes as market participants are anticipating the Fed's decision on its key rate. Some traders have already priced in the interest rate reduction. The dollar-yen pair is highly likely to slide down a little bit after the announcement of the Fed's decision. Investors' optimism of an interim trade agreement between the US and China is fading away. Risk appetite was fueled by the trade-related optimism over the past few sessions, where small US negotiators hinted at a possible delay in signing the trade agreement. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar is holding firm. Traders are still muting over strong data on Australia's economy. The AUD-USD pair is steadily rising to its weekly highs, trying to consolidate above the level 0.6870. Investors welcomed recent upbeat data which showed that in the third quarter, inflation accelerated to 1.7% per year. This is the highest inflation rate since the fourth quarter of last year. So today, traders are taking note of macroeconomic statistics. The euro area will publish some economic reports today. Germany will release preliminary inflation report and labor market data for October. Spain will unveil data on GDP. The ADP employment report from the United States is due today as well. The Bank of Canada is likely to maintain the status quo at the end of today's meeting, while the Fed is expected to cut its key rate by 25 basis points. We keep close tabs on market developments. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with the latest news on the financial markets. See you soon.